How to check out with an Amazon gift card. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow. Now let's not waste any more time and head to the video. First, you open the Amazon app. Once you open the app, for example, I choose this item and I click on add to cart, and I click on the cart option in the middle. Once I click on that, I click on proceed to buy the item. Once I click on that, my address, everything comes up here. But if I want to exactly do the payment through UPI, through net banking, cash on delivery, but here I'll find an option of add promo code, and here you can click on the Amazon gift card that you have, the code that it has. Once you click on apply, if the amount surpasses the gift card number, then it will already minus that total thing from the balance. Like say you have a $5 gift card and your bill is of $10, and if you click on apply, then it will minus $5 from it, and then you have to use the other payments and make the payment. But if it surpasses it, then you don't have to pay. If your bill is of $4 and you have $5, then you don't have to pay anything. It will automatically be claimed. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.